I am lava. I am flowing on a path of creation. My fire reshapes and rebuilds new and dramatic landscapes. I build the future with the past. My path is unstoppable. Yet always purposeful. As lava cools, the surface crust hardens, while the molten lava underneath may actually continue to flow. Once cooled, lava breaks down over time into nutrient-rich volcanic soil that supports plant life. I teach transformation through letting go. I cool into new land. Change is fertile ground. Listen, the planet's heartbeat is molten with renewal. Advice from a lava flow. Rise to the occasion. Glow with excitement. Follow the path of least resistance. It's okay to be a little fiery. Take time to cool down. Have a solid outlook. Embrace change.